Arrive Logistics Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get logistics services wrong. They assume all shipping and freight companies are the same. The surprising truth about Arrive Logistics is how it combines technology, transparency, and personalized service to streamline deliveries, and you won't believe how much time it can save businesses and individuals alike. Here's how it works. Arrive Logistics specializes in freight brokerage, last-mile delivery, and supply chain solutions. Their platform connects shippers with carriers, providing real-time tracking, automated notifications, and flexible delivery options. For example, a small business shipping high-value products across the country can use Arrive Logistics to ensure timely deliveries, monitor shipments in real time, and optimize routes for cost efficiency. Most people get this wrong. They think logistics is just moving goods, but Arrive offers analytics and planning tools to reduce delays and costs. Additional features include automated quotes, integrated invoicing, and 24/7 customer support. Users consistently report that the platform reduces manual tracking and improves transparency compared to traditional freight services. However, there are considerations. Pricing can vary depending on shipment volume and distance, and new users may need some time to fully understand the dashboard. Most people assume logistics services are all-inclusive. It's sufficient, but understanding the platform's features is key to maximizing benefits. In conclusion, Arrive Logistics is ideal for businesses and individuals who want reliable, tech-driven shipping solutions that save time and improve operational efficiency. It's not just about moving goods, it's about smart logistics management. Subscribe for more honest reviews of shipping, logistics, and business services.